Hello dear viewers, welcome to Geonodes Daily series where we do something cool in geometry nodes in 10 minutes or less. And today we are going to make it short, and also we are going to have two-in-one effect like you saw in the demo. We are going to do this cool abstract transformation, and also that fly-in that you saw the letters coming one by one. It's a really nice effect, and I can't wait to show you how it was done. This is also, like you saw in the description, an example of the Fillet Curve Node. So let me show you how to do this. Let's add a text string to curves, and we'll want to add this fillet curve text, and also we will want a set position node, and then we will want to turn this into a mesh, so curve to mesh, and we are going to need a profile. So let's take a circle and plug it here, and I'm gonna put like 4 vertices. We don't need a lot. Now select this, Shift F, and we have everything connected. And now we get this because we kind of need a text. So let's try here. Infinity, awesome. And if we put this one on 0 and plug this one here, let me save. And let's see why it's not working. Because of this problem, we kind of need the output here, and now we have kind of the effect. Now let's make this one something like that. I'm gonna remove the outline, and now this value is going to control the effect, as you see here. So let me add an input value, and I'm gonna plug it here because I want to take care of the second effect. We are going to use this set position node that we prepared here, and the way we are going to do is going to use a random value, switch this one to vector, and the output here is instances, so we are going to move the letter one by one. As you can see here, if we zero out the other axis, we kind of get only this one. So I'm gonna use in utilities, combine XYZ from the vector, plug this one here, put here the value from here. So now we can control the both effects at the same time. And what you want to do is to find a nice angle for the camera, and that will make things look nice. And in order to get that gradual effect, you can also play a little bit here with math. So let's say, for example, we are going to add an utilities, switch this on to power to have less effect as we get closer to 0. And then we can do this and switch this one to 2, the exponent. This can control the effect now. So let's put it on 2, and now we get something like this. This is the first effect, and this is the second effect. And all that it's left to do is shade it and make a nice angle, camera angle for this. And that's it. Like I said, today we kind of managed to do this in a very short amount of time. Make sure to check the link in the description if you want to see how I shaded this and how I did that cool animated background. Thank you again for watching, and see you in the next tutorial, and have a nice day.